guys, my name is Rohit and you're watching Rohit's Fit. In today's video, we are going to unbox this desktop switch. Okay, this is from MERCUSYS company, and I have purchased it for $4.99. The link is in the description. I have purchased this from Amazon. Okay, the trending price is $4.99. जहाँ पे ये डिवाइस मल्टीपल पोर्ट्स के साथ आता है, आपको यहाँ पे 5 पोर्ट्स मिल जाते हैं 100 Mbps आउटपुट के लिए. ओके बेसिकली ये डिवाइस हम तब यूज़ करते हैं जहाँ पे हमें बहुत सारे लैन पोर्ट्स या लैन केबल्स अटैच करनी होती है. सो बेसिकली दिस डिवाइस हेल्प्स me for the various packet transfers to my other device. Okay, so in the previous video we have talked about the outdoor CP from the TP-Link CP610, and I have experimenting to access the internet from around a 5 kilometer away, and soon I will be telling you a short video about that, how I connected and what speeds actually I am getting over it. So let's start with the unboxing. Hello guys, we have this desktop switch for unboxing today. This is the first unboxing we are doing. So basically this comes from MERCUSYS, something pronunciation like that, and talking about the overall package is very good. So today we are going to unbox this. Talking about the box contents, we have MERCUSYS brand logo, and with saying that 5 ports 100 Mbps, and this is the desktop switch model number MS105. Okay, this device have 5 ports. On the right sides, the specifications are in different languages. On this side, the model number and some branding details are there. On this side, you can get the details about this device, switching device. Okay, it says that 100 Mbps ports, then feature half and full duplex. Okay, these are the LEDs, Ethernet. All the Ethernet ports have LED, so total 5 Ethernet LED ports are available. So let's unbox this. Okay, let's keep aside that packet. Now we open this lid. Okay, basically you get the installation guide. This is useless. Okay, this is the small, thin and very small compact size Ethernet switching device. Okay, absolutely you get 5 Ethernet ports. Okay, here on this side you will like to see a LED, and again box contents. Okay, you get a charger. Okay, this kind of pin charger you get, and this is 0.3 ampere charger. Okay, basically the power consuming is very less. So let's unlock it. Okay, very larger in length. It's around 2 meters. Okay, it's around 2 meters. Okay, let's keep it aside. And no, now this box is useless for us, so let's throw it away. Now talking about the main device, we have this very thin and a small compact size device. Okay, on this right side you have this power injector. Okay, we have to put this over here, and this device in our socket, electric socket. So let's plug it. Now keeping this all thing aside, we have now our electric socket. Now we have to plug it in. As you can see, the switching device is now ready. Now you can see a green light over here, and when I will put Ethernet cable into it, the 5 lights will blow. So you can stay tuned for the another video. Detailed video will be there. um, Basically we will be doing a setup with a P2P point-to-point installation. So another video is for TP-Link 610 CPE, a point-to-point device, where we have more details in another video.